Sura sa sura!
Jangan nabi ako rin.
Well, we fogged up the windows in my old Chevy. I was willing, but she wasn't ready, so I settled for a burger and a great snow cone. I dropped her off early, but I didn't go home.